Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for baking into a successful online business. In this video, she'll share her journey of how she built her website, marketed her products, and grew her customer base to become a successful business owner. As a stay-at-home mom, Sarah loved to bake for her family and friends. Her homemade treats were always a hit, and soon enough, she started receiving requests from friends of friends. That's when she realized that she could turn her hobby into business. But Sarah had no idea how to start an online store. She spent countless hours researching, reading blogs, and watching tutorials. Finally, she built her own website using an online platform. She spent time perfecting the design and layout, making sure it reflected her brand and style. Once her website was up and running, Sarah faced another challenge of how to market her products. She started by creating social media accounts for her business, showcasing her products, and sharing baking tips and tricks. She also reached out to bloggers and influencers in the food industry, offering them free samples of her treats in exchange for reviews. Sarah quickly gained a following, and her online store started to get more and more orders. She worked tirelessly to fulfill all the orders, ensuring that each customer received the best quality products and service. Over time, Sarah's business grew, and she started to receive more and more orders from all over the country. She hired a team to help her with production and shipping, allowing her to focus on marketing and growing her brand. Today, Sarah's online store is a thriving business with a loyal customer base and a reputation for quality products and exceptional service. She's proud to have turned her passion for baking into a successful career and to have shown other stay-at-home moms that they too can pursue their dreams and build a successful business from home. Thank you for watching Sarah's inspiring story. We hope it has motivated you to pursue your own dreams and start your own online business. Remember, with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Be sure to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories like this.